Hey guys, what's up? It's Alicia Jones. I'm back again with a new video, and as you can see from the title, I'm going to be doing this hairstyle, this butterfly distress locks. And yeah, so it didn't take me as long as I thought it would. Once I got the hang of it, it was a little bit odd because it was like a challenge for me. So I used 4 packs of Lulu Tress Water Wave and then 1 pack of Free Tress Water Wave. So yeah, and one thing I needed to learn was after I secured the base, once I got down, is to twist loosely so you could get that look. Some of them I didn't do it for, but so this one I twisted loosely, and that's why that one looks a lot more distressed. You guys will see that all in the video. If you're new here, welcome. Hey, what's up? If you like what you see, you want to rock with me, and you like the vibe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you never miss a video from me, and I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up, y'all. All right, y'all, so basically this is how I got my hair. I just got it plaited. I didn't even braid it all the way down. I just wasn't about to do that. So I'm gonna show you how I do one, and then I just put this to the side so it don't get in the way. And the hair I am using, this is Lulu Tress Water Wave in my hair color, which is color number 2. And you can use any water wave hair of your choice or any passion twist hair of your choice. And basically what I do is take the crochet needle, I take 2 strands just like that, and then I'm going to, I don't know why I put that one back up. I'm going to take the latch hook, put it underneath my plait or my little small little braid, and then I'm going to put the hair on there, close it, pull it through. Now what you can do, you can just pull it through or you can knot it. So I'm gonna show you how to pull it through without knotting it first. So basically this is what you do, and you can pull it apart to make it you can pull it apart before you put it through or after you put it through. It's just easier for me if I do it this way. So basically what you're gonna do is you're just going to separate it. So I basically just separate 2 strands over here and 2 strands over here, like so. And then I'm going to take my own hair in one, and then I'm just going to start wrapping. And I'm gonna wrap at the base probably 3 to 5 times. Wrap it at the base, and then I'm going to start going down. Like so. Just like that. So I'm basically just wrapping it, and it should look like that. And as you go down further, you want to make it looser. Now there is like a thumb method that you can try. You can like put your thumb and then it gives it that butterfly look. That doesn't work for me. So what I do is just disturb the locks after I do the process, which you guys are going to see. So I'm just gonna keep going down until I get to the desired length that I want. Okay, so basically this is the length that I want. So what I'm going to do, all right, so basically when you get to where you want your length to be, you're going to flip it up, and then you're just going to start twisting upward. This is one of the most awkwardest hairstyles I've ever tried. It's so different. Basically that's all you're going to do, is just keep going upwards. You're not gonna go all the way up. You're gonna go, I'm gonna show you. You're not gonna go all the way up with it. Now I only bought 4 packs. I think that I might have to go and get some more hair. See, I'm getting closer, so I'm just gonna start twisting back downward. And then there are a lot of people that are using nail glue. I don't think I'm gonna do that, but basically that's what you're going to do for the butterfly. And then for the butterfly lock, what you want to do to get that kind of distressed look, you can take your crochet needle and pull some of that hair out. You can take your crochet needle or you can take your finger, which is easier to me. And you see you're getting that distressed look. Hey y'all, so I ran out of hair, so I had some, luckily I'm a hair hoarder. I had some extra hair, this free tress water wave. And when I say I'm a hair hoarder, I'm not even playing with y'all. But this is the hair I'm gonna use, and it's a different texture, a completely different texture. So what I found is a little bit easier is what I do is just take, instead of having to pull all of that through, what I'm gonna do, put it under, and then I'm gonna put the end of the hair through. It's so much easier to do it that way. And see, so much easier. And then I'm going to just, but I'm gonna speed this part up, y'all. I just wanted to show y'all that real quick. Alright y'all, so I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and if you noticed that I could have did anything different, let me know. I'm not sure if I'll try this hairstyle again. It was just so different. I'd rather crochet in some locks, but yeah guys, I will see y'all in the next video. And I noticed like some of them, they're like not the same, like this one's like extra long. Well, I guess these two are like the same length, but yeah y'all, thanks for tuning in. I'll see y'all in the next video.